Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change voice on ChatGPT application. If you want to change the voice on ChatGPT so that you can enjoy different speaking styles and personalize your AI experience, then follow along till the end. First of all, launch open ChatGPT application on your device and make sure that it is updated to the latest version. Also, make sure to log into your OpenAI account. And then once you get to this interface, tap on the two horizontal button at the top left corner. Now, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on your username. This will take you to settings menu where you'll need to tap voice. Now, click on the voice option from the menu. Now, you can choose multiple voices with different tones. Simply swipe left or right in order to hear the different sound available. Once you find a sound that you'd like to choose, click on Done at the bottom left, and you will then be able to change the voice on the ChatGPT application. That's how you successfully change the voice on ChatGPT. Now you can enjoy conversations with the AI in a style that feels just right for you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.